To create a Sophie Vault, you need to have a Sophie account, which is a financial services platform that offers various products including brokerage accounts, loans, and credit cards. Start by logging into your Sophie account. Then navigate to the Invest section where you can find the option to create a vault. A Sophie Vault is essentially a savings account that allows you to set aside money for specific goals, such as buying a house, a car, or a vacation. First, click on the Create Vault option and choose the type of vault you want to create, such as a savings vault or an investment vault. Next, give your vault a name and set a specific goal for it, like saving for a down payment on a house. You can then set a target amount and a target date for reaching your goal. After setting up your vault, you can fund it by transferring money from your Sophie account or from an external bank account. You can also set up automatic transfers to add money to your vault at regular intervals. Sophie Vaults offer competitive interest rates and do not have any fees or minimums, making it a great way to save money. To make the most out of your Sophie Vault, make sure to set realistic goals and track your progress regularly. You can also use the Sophie app to monitor your vault and make adjustments as needed. Additionally, consider setting up multiple vaults for different goals to keep your savings organized and focused. By following these steps, you can create a Sophie Vault and start working towards your financial goals. Remember to stay disciplined and consistent with your savings, and you will be on your way to achieving your objectives. Sophie Vaults are a great tool for anyone looking to save money and reach their financial goals. And with the right strategy, you can make the most out of this feature.